welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Namsamo and this is my YouTube channel where I speak about all things books, DIY and lifestyle. If that is your kind of jam, please do hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell to get notified every single time your homegirl post a video. Be excited today. Guys, I'm sorry, not the sliding child. It's gonna be going out. I want to do this DurbanDiaries thing. I really just want to do this thing where I explore Durban again, but I want to look at Durban as like in the eyes of a tourist, because I think it will be so much cooler than not looking at it as a place where I grew up in. Like, obviously I can't help but, you know, look at a certain place and be like, oh my god, I was with this person at that specific place. In as much as there are not a lot of things to do here, it's still pretty cool, and I just want to kind of like rediscover the city again. Some sea breeze, get some sun, and just enjoy, you know, Sunday. And Sunday is my favorite day, so I'm really excited to start this series, I guess. I hope that you guys do enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, let's go.
Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So good at the same time being here, because I spent a good 4 years just being surrounded by this place. Like, this place holds so many memories. I'm sorry, there are kids here, obviously, duh, it's a park. Izinia's actually brought me so many memories. Like, I hope Aliki paddles will fail to Tatifonyam. That time it was so easy, and to just, you know, make ordinary days so extraordinary. Now there is a McDonald's close by, but before that, the only McDonald's that was close by was in Workshop, which is quite far. And sometimes, you know, I would save up money that I would get like every single day so that I can buy a McFlurry on Fridays, and then we'd go to the terminals, and then we'll chill, and then we'd watch like dramas. There was always drama at the terminals. Like, there was always some sort of drama going on there. It just reminded me of the child that I used to be, thinking I was grown at that time. Back at it now, I lived in the moment, like almost every single day. I didn't think too much about the future. Like, I didn't think about the tomorrow. I really thought I was like, okay, fine, it's Tuesday, I have to go to school, what's in store for me today. Like that was my mindset. So the story about Lisa Stamkok, my first love, like my first experience of being in love, is probably my favorite story to tell. Just love explaining that, because I think it was the most purest love I've ever experienced. Go meet up with this boy, and then he tells me, he's like, yo, I basically don't know what I want. I'm really at a crossroad place right now. I'm just really trying to figure out what I want. Really confused, and I was taken aback by it because I think I was not ready for it. Like, I didn't see any change in him. Like, I guess I was so in love that I didn't notice. How in love was I if I didn't notice changes in him? Anyways, he tells me, he doesn't think that, being in a relationship is something that he really wants to be in, whereas he's trying to figure out like what he wants, basically. And I was like, okay. Like, I was in shock because I was like, where is this coming from? Like, so he tells me this, and I was like, okay, all right, cool. Then I walked away from him. Then I was like, okay, cool. I don't even remember if he gave me a hug or whatever. Walking away, I literally started shaking. Like that narrow road that I showed you guys, that road, I started shaking. And people like, oh, like I get so weak in the knees, like I'm weak in the knees. I was weak in the knees, like I couldn't walk. I literally sat there for a good 10 minutes crying because I was like, what in the hell? I sat there and I cried. Was it the following Friday? Not sure, but me and my friends, we all meet up. We basically chill at the park. I called this boy one of my most embarrassing moments. This is my Russian bear embarrassing moment. I called this boy. Why was I running away with the phone when my friends are like, don't call him, don't call him, sprinting away from them, calling this boy like, why? What did I do wrong? Most embarrassing moment. And it is just, yeah, that was my first heartbreak, like my first ever heartbreak. It feels so good to be here. Like, there's so many, like that tractor, the blue tractor, it holds so many memories. I've had so many like intense conversations. This place holds so many memories for me. Seeing my high school, I made some good friends, and I always say that place gave me good people. I did a lot of stupid shit, bro, in high school. Like, I did a lot of stupid shit. I was also very naive. To a bookstore, I went to Bargain Books, and I didn't get a book. I'm strong, but also the fact that my bank account is not strong I think is the reason why I didn't get into books, because otherwise, guys, I would have walked down. Now I'm just gonna walk down. I don't know where I'm gonna go. All in all, heartbreak will make you dizzy, but I'm a better woman now. I'm strong. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice. I'll see you guys later.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
away. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Across the road. Across the road. Lost and in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment.
This is just giving Little Miss Oprah. It's giving I'm ready to work. It's giving let's go edit. I am back home. As you can see, the first thing that I did, you should see my room. My room is a mess. I'm embezzled. Just go home, and really, it was really nice to literally walk down memory lane. So much fun. I saw two people, like childhood friends, like really close childhood friends. Guys, today was very nostalgic. Is that how you say it? Nostalgic. Anyways, it was very that. I had a great day, and this is where I'm gonna close the vlog. More of these videos are gonna be coming soon, so I really do hope that you join the Brown Sugar Gang. We have fun here. We read books and we go out, and sometimes we do DIYs. I really do hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell to get notified every single time your homegirl, and that's home period, post a video. But yeah, until next time, sugars, thank you so much for watching. Bye.